turaria horo wa celebration ta ya miaka 10 uguo ya devolution na devolution tuonete wega wayo matura-ini nyanja tofauti horo wa health ni turaria horo wa success story cia health counties ni irahota gukorwo igithondeka kindu gitagwo FIF Act ati mbia iria irakorwo igithondekwo within the hospitals mahota gucigenerate igacoka thibitari ikahota improve facilities ikahota kugura medical supplies nginya horo wa human resource ugakorwo kimanageka wega within the health sector tondu mbia cia counties iria ikorwo igikinya counties is a serious thing toneta kuga ni ku affect kiria kirahutia Wanjiku at his heart at the village level no horo wa mbia iria iroka counties na projection cia setwo no wega tuga respect aguo tondu ugithie the wa hau uguo even the constitution is very clear tara ungirwa nginya horo wa constitution tara article 203 section 3 niraririo horo wa wega ati ithwe mbia citu iria cioka counties tudirana the last audited accounts koguo ithu tutifatire uko tukiaffect ne projections cia revenue on year basis but rather our money to the county is based on the last audited account. The Senate, they must conclude this discussion before December erupts. Nigetha counties ikorwo iki-access funds ciao uria ciagiriire. Na tutiari horo wa anything less than 400 billion. Tondu the national government o makire na bahati ni mahotaga guthie nginya kuboro externally. Ukaigwa na guthiro China, ukaigwa na guthiro US national no ithue the 400 billion it is our life nigetha tukorwo tukihota gu support counties ikorwo igekora kwagirire in terms of the operation.